In today's video, I'm going to go over and show you how to make one of our lace French hair bows. I'm going to show you how to stitch it out, cut the fringe, and assemble the bow. For this specific design, our Valentine bow, you're going to need to hoop the design twice. So you're going to be getting 2 files, and this is the first file. And then for the stabilizer, we're going to be using the mesh, the wash away one. This is what it looks like. I'll link mine down below in case you want to get the same one. But yeah, let's get started. This is our first hoop, and for this part of the design, the fringe is on the heart and then on the arrow, these 3 sections. So we're going to flip it to the back, okay? And we're just going to go in with our scissors and cut in between the stitching. Now that our pieces are cut out, I'm gonna just dip them in water so I can remove the stabilizer, and I'm gonna start on the second hoop while this dries. Here is our second hoop. For this one, we're not doing nothing. We're just gonna cut it out and wet it and remove the stabilizer. We're ready to assemble the bow. We're going to be using hot glue to glue everything together. So let's go to my craft table. So I'm going to be using an alligator clip for this bow, and we're going to take our white piece and our red piece, and this is going to go on top. So we're going to add a little bit of glue. Now for the pink one, we need to assemble it, so add a little bit of glue in the center. So yeah, we're going to take this piece and put it in the middle as well, like that. And then we're going to add our arrow. Okay, now we're going to flip it to the back and glue our hair clip. And then this is our center piece that we're going to wrap around. And the last thing is add our heart right in the middle. That's it. This is how you make our lace fringe bow. Super easy, right? And really, really fun. So yeah, I'll link the file down below and stay tuned for more designs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.